Welcome to this tutorial on the savedsearch command in Splunk SPL. The savedsearch command is a powerful feature that allows you to execute saved searches and run predefined saved searches within your SPL queries. This command enables modular and reusable query logic, making your Splunk searches more efficient and maintainable. The savedsearch command is a tool that executes previously saved searches and reports within your SPL queries. It enables modular and reusable search logic, which means you can build complex searches by combining smaller, predefined components. The key benefits include code reusability and modularity, consistent query logic across searches, and simplified complex query management. This approach helps maintain consistency and reduces the need to rewrite common search patterns. The basic syntax for the savedsearch command is straightforward. You use the pipe symbol followed by the word savedsearch, and then specify the name of your saved search in double quotes. The command structure looks like this: pipe savedsearch search _name quote. When you execute this command, it runs the complete saved search logic and returns the results to your current search pipeline. Here's a simple example of how to use the savedsearch command. In this case, we're executing a saved search called daily error report, and then displaying the first 10 results. The command starts with pipe savedsearch daily error report followed by pipe head 10. The saved search runs completely first, executing all its defined logic, and then the head command limits the output to show only the first 10 results from that saved search. You can enhance the saved search command by passing parameters to customize its execution. In this example, we're running a saved search called security audit with specific time range parameters. The command includes earliest equals -7d for data from 7 days ago, and latest equals now for current time. These parameters override the saved search's default settings during runtime, allowing you to modify the search behavior without changing the original saved search definition. One of the powerful features of the savedsearch command is its ability to chain with other SPL commands. In this example, we start by executing a saved search called web access logs. Then we filter the results using the where command to find only status 404 errors. Next, we use the stats command to count occurrences by URI, and finally sort the results in descending order by count. The saved search executes first, and then each subsequent command processes the output in sequence. When using the savedsearch command, follow these best practices for optimal results. Always use descriptive names for your saved searches to make them easy to identify and understand. Test saved searches thoroughly before referencing them in other queries. Document the search purpose and required parameters for team collaboration. Use appropriate time ranges to ensure efficient execution. Remember that the saved search must exist and be accessible to your user account. Check permissions carefully for shared searches, especially in team environments. Consider the performance impact of complex searches and monitor resource usage during execution to maintain system performance. To summarize, the savedsearch command is an essential tool for creating efficient and maintainable Splunk searches. It provides reusability by allowing you to execute predefined searches across multiple queries and reports. It offers efficiency through a modular approach to complex search logic and analysis. The command provides flexibility by allowing you to chain it with other commands and pass custom parameters. The key takeaway is that the savedsearch command enables modular SPL development by executing saved searches within your queries, promoting code reuse and consistent analysis patterns throughout your Splunk environment. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.